Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. In this tutorial, I am going to explain GATE Statistics 2021. GATE Statistics 2021 syllabus overview. Syllabus overview with most expected questions from which topic and which topics I can study, which topic I can skip, and all things we can discuss here. Our code is ST statistics. Okay, in statistics mainly we have 40% weightage of 40 percentage weightage of mathematics. Okay, then we have 60% weightage of statistics, just like IIT JAM. Okay, but here syllabus are 50% different syllabus from IIT JAM. Okay, first we can see in calculus, this is related to the mathematics part, calculus and matrix theory. Calculus and matrix theory, these both are related to the mathematics topics, remaining all are statistical topics. In calculus we can follow main book, that SC Malik. Okay, SC Malik book, I think mathematical analysis. Okay, SC Malik book is best book for calculus part. Okay, in calculus we have all things are basics, but from here onwards, from totally related to the real analysis. Okay, totally related to the real analysis topic. If you are good in real analysis topic, it will be good, easy to understand from calculus topics. Okay, then we have matrix theory. For matrix theory you can follow Sham series publisher. Okay, Sham series publisher, it is very good and giving more examples. Okay, from Sham series, that is matrix theory. Matrix theory means linear algebra. Okay, linear algebra. Okay, one more thing, in description link I provide one blog. In that blog you have all PDFs related to the GATE statistics PDFs. Okay, GATE statistics PDF from calculus, for matrix theory, for probability, and all things. Okay, in the description link I will provide you that link. Okay, now we can see in probability. For probability we all know that it is related to the graduation topics. From For probability, first we need to study FMS book, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics book, FMS book. After Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics book, then you can read with Rothgi book. Okay, Rothgi book. Okay, these all books I provide you PDFs in my blog. Okay, you can check that blog, you can get the all PDFs. Okay, for probability, from I think if you are studying calculus per time, that first time it will be calculus is difficult, so I prefer linear algebra. Okay, linear algebra, just like matrix, we can easy to understand and all things also. I prefer matrix for first reference. Then you, if you have time, then you can study real analysis also. Okay, this will be mathematics. Then in statistics we have probability. We all are know probability from graduation onwards. If you are statistics background, from the graduation onwards you are studying probability. In probability mainly we have random variables and distributions, then inequalities. Okay, distributions then inequalities, then these all are the distributions. Okay, these all are the introduction to random variables and probability and all things. This will be the joint distributions. Then margin, how we can find marginal distribution from other statistics, and from bivariate, I think trivariate is not bivariate. Okay, convergence in probability, and almost surely this will be, these things you can study it in masters. I think for probability first we can refer FMS book, then we go to Vijay Keroti book. Okay, for stochastic process has a good weightage in GATE. Okay, for stochastic process I prefer JML book. Okay, JML, it has very full, like, well-known examples and very clear topics from this. See, Markov chain with finite uncountable state space, classification of states, limiting behavior of n step transition, probability and station. These all things covered in that book with very well manner. Okay, then we have estimation. For estimation we already covered FMS book. Okay, in FMS book you can read that book carefully, then estimation and testing of hypothesis topics also covered. But extra you can study that Nityos Mukhopadhyay book or Kesila Burger, or you can find you can find Ullas Dikshit. Okay, Ullas Dikshit. It will be related to the R language, but it has lot of examples from estimation or testing of hypothesis and all things. Okay, Ullas Dikshit book estimation. Then we have testing of hypothesis. See, these three topics are most important. Okay, then multivariate also, stochastic process and estimation and testing of hypothesis has good weightage. Okay, then we have non-parametric. We generally non-parametric, I think one or two questions will come from non-parametric. It has less weightage, but very simple topics are there in non-parametric. How we can find empirical distribution and its properties and goodness of it test, then chi-square test, Kolmogorov, similar. All test procedures almost are similar. Okay, just some modifications. Okay, then multivariate analysis and regression analysis also good weightage. For multivariate if you read non-parametric, I think for better than to non-parametric you can read another topics. Okay, in non-parametric you can follow Gibbon's book, or you can study Gibbon's book. I provide you link for that book also. For multivariate you can refer Anderson book or Richardson book. From Anderson book you can get every formula from related to the multivariate analysis, but problematic is less. If you refer Richardson book, then it will be very clear. It has formulas also, it has with examples also. Okay, then for regression analysis I generally follow that IIT Kanpur notes, but you can refer different types of CR book available. Okay, linear statistical inference book by CR Rao. Okay, different books are available for regression analysis. Finally, as I am also preparing for gate statistics this time, I am also preparing for gate statistics, so I am sharing just my ideas. I am also don't know how question paper prepares. Matrix theory is compulsory. Okay, if we read matrix theory compulsory, calculus is up to we can this also read, but it is difficult sometimes. Okay, then probability also, it has also come from nearly 5 questions. I think I refer previous year. I think almost 5 questions will come from probability also. Statistics topics, all topics are important except this non-parametric. From the non-parametric I think 1 or 2 questions will come. Okay, then multivariate analysis very important, then regression analysis. Then these three are very important: stochastic process and estimation and testing of hypothesis. These three topics are very important. These three topics, estimation and testing of hypothesis, we studied in graduation onwards, but stochastic process is new topic. This comes under MSc courses. Okay, from the next tutorial onwards we can discuss chapter wise. Then we can discuss some MCQs on previous year papers also. Thank you for watching. One more thing, from in the description link I am providing that how which books we can study, that books links also you can download directly. Thank you.